Welcome back to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Maxine. Now, Maxine is talking about Miss D. She's saying that the cat that bit the lady, it's something related to something spiritual, something that is bad, evil. Basically, that's what she's saying. But guys, we don't know why this cat bit the lady and how it happened. But Maxine is saying that basically they were explaining that the cat came out of nowhere allegedly and bit the lady. Guys, you know that Maxine is going to go very deep in this, and you guys have to go and check out the video, hear what Maxine is saying, hear what her followers are saying, and see if you can justify what happened with the cat and why the cat bit the lady. So go ahead, watch the video now. Remember, guys, to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, have yourselves a lovely one.
But who you would have sue do a quick Kiki? Who you would have sue if you depend on a veranda and then a cement drop down on your foot? Who you end up sue? You depend on a veranda and then a dog bite you. All when not for the neighbor dog. Upon then a veranda, the dog bite you. The puss bite you. Who you end up go sue Kiki? In Kiki, who you ain't go sue? Come on, Kiki. You me think you have better sense than that, Kiki, man. That's why they say puss has 9 lives. They are not something to play with. Tell them for me, Bailey. Bailey, tell them, because they don't understand what me I said to them all now. Did she went there to buy cake? Yes! Yes! That's why me so strong, Panny. Me work in a courthouse, you know, so me can't tell what they ain't seen thing here. That's why me so strong, Panny, you know, Chin. Because, say, a cake the woman go buy, and Dana, me no play the rest of the tape. And Dana tell the lady, come around, because at least the lady when they at the back, might be at the back part, the side part, at the grill. And Dana tell the lady if you come round because the lady want to hug Dana and greet her. And him tell Paula say if he cut one slice of cake, if you go give the woman, Dana shouldn't sit down in a couch, come in a couch to talk to Rihanna, that Rihanna auntie. He shouldn't sit down in the couch, he shouldn't go there, but she too frightened. She frightened for the celebrity status, so she go out there. Yes, she go out there, she went in her couch, good. I don't lie me they tell, me have the tape. I don't lie me I tell, she went in her couch. And she left and go out there. You know how much time she get up and sit down? You know how much time she get up and sit down? She shouldn't follow her mind. She shouldn't follow her mind because she done gone on the road long time. The woman wouldn't even catch her there. She done gone long, and she said it. The woman wouldn't even catch her there. Would have never catch her there. They need to stop use cake as excuse to reach the woman here. That's what me they say. Cause Dana say, uno no come at me yard, no come at me yard, he run the 3-year-old pitney who want the little help yesterday. He run them, but he take up the little faggot. And they tell the faggots if he go on go along a embassy and go on this fi go ball out fi brutality and all sort of bullshit. God, you think God they play with you? Uno really think God they play with you? Uno really think God they play? Sit down there and play with God. Sit down there and play with God. Uno think uno see nothing yet? Uno think uno see nothing yet? Maxine, you bad in. What me do? Me no do nothing. Me don't go to report the story as me get it. But I saw me dramatic and stay. Me they report this, everybody report their story different. Me have to report for me very dramatic, so the people them run come hear the dramaticness. Then come all cuss me when they not really mean to cuss me, you know. Then just want hear me cuss. Then say me they cuss bad word pan ya. But then I cuss bad word up to this morning. Then I tell the woman say voice of reasoning or whatever, say I will send you right up under your mama. You love me? Thank you very much. Dana say, Dana tough up back right voice of reason up in a mama. Tough him up, you know, tough, you know, push him up there, you know. In tough him right up in a mama this morning. Oh yes, she did. She did. So what she go come up and send later on. Me they wait until the video man come. Me no know how Dana have video there and I don't know how to operate it. I don't know how she have video or yard and do not know how to operate it. Dana come out yesterday and say the cat fly out of the ear like a tiger cat pan the woman foot they climb tree. Yes, that's what she come out and say. What a dirty cat! What a dirty cat! What a... Yes, she go on with herself. She go on with herself yesterday. And she cuss the dirty puss them and she call the neighbor and say, come take up your wild puss them. And I know for the neighbor puss neither, you know. A wild puss. The puss jump up on the woman like a tiger cat. Jump up on the woman like a tiger cat. As Dana sister and me. So when you know they come on my page and they cuss me and they go on with no cell phone, no stop it. No come out come cuss me because me no do nothing. Me no do nothing at all. You laugh at me? How what they go and laugh at me? They have one saying say belief kill and belief cure. There is evil in this world. And if a cat jump out pan you like a tiger cat, it look like a the tiger. I want if a Lorraine me rascal. Remember I went to Lorraine say if he come at 99 he go jump out pan him like a tiger cat. You know say the tiger cat this. Me who right here. The tiger cat, you know. Hey, the woman, Dana, let me tell you, Dana. Dana, take it from me. The woman carry something come at your yard. The woman know exactly what was going on. The cat sit down there and see everything that was happening. If that woman had hold on upon you 1 second more, Dana, you would not be here today. Dana, any more the woman when hold on upon you 1 second more, you remember you said the woman squeeze you like your life, they come out, you feel one different feeling. And Dana say so yesterday, you know. Dana say yes today, say when the woman hold her and squeeze her, she feel a different feeling come over her. That's how tight the woman squeeze her till her breath feel like it come out her body. And Dana say so, you know. Oh no, come over here, come see a lie me they tell, come we play it. Because me don't want to no see a lie me they tell me play, me couldn't hear it. And Dana say so, you know. You know stay there. Dana said the way how the woman squeeze her yesterday, she feel like her breath they come out her body. The cat did to the woman what 99 promised. Yes, laugh at me. Remember said Dana tell Lorraine Bulldog say, come a 99, make her tear you up like a tiger cat. See the tiger cat fly out of the cat there on the woman. See the tiger cat fly out there. See the tiger cat fly out there. The tiger cat fly out. Dana said yesterday the cat fly through the fence, through the grill, pan in veranda, and grab on pan the woman foot. And won't let it go. And you know when the woman flashing, and them have to pry the cat off of the woman foot, you know. And when them pry the cat off of the woman foot, you know, so the cat when they come back. The cat when they come back. Yes. The cat was coming back. Because the cat never done. And the cat no done. The cat do not done. Then what make you no put no likes on the YouTube channel. What make not even little likes so no put on there? No sir, no serious though. You no sit down here for more than 1 hour. And I know from the first 10 minutes, me get that the amount of likes there. He no move from there, so me dey almost 2 hours right now. Me almost 2 hours, you know. And he no move from there, so no, so that's not look good. That not look good at all. That not look good. That do not look good at all. It no look good. What is going on? Cat have 9 life and 99 have about 100 line tongues. Yes! Yes, me picnic. Yes. You no see what they want? Stay tuned for part 3. Stay tuned for part 3 because part 3 going to be dangerous. Because it's going to be dangerous. Because remember, that already come out and said the woman in trouble the cat. Hi, good morning, my darling. Good morning to everyone who is just coming on. Good morning. It was an unfortunate accident, very unfortunate accident. The only person who is suffering is the woman. Yes, she is. And then she's suffering with all the lies that's coming out on her that she stepped on the cat. Remember, she is diabetic. Oh, yes, me feel sorry for her because I'm diabetic myself. And me no want not even fly bite me. Me no want not even fly bite me. The regular checkups, oh, she's going to have to go for regular checkups. I wonder who's going to foot that bill. I wonder who is going to foot that bill. Oh, yes, she's going to have to go. The woman says she's diabetic. I'm looking at her foot. I know she's diabetic because her foot kind of dark. Of that, you know, when people diabetic and they have the dark looking foot down at the elbow. Rascal. I know the elbow me mean if you say people don't put that on TikTok. I know the elbow down at the ankle. Laugh at me, you see what you want me about. And you hear me there they talk about the elbow again. Down at the ankle me attack. You know say down at the ankle me attack. So no bother go tell nobody say me they over here they talk about me no know the part of the body. No go no do. How me can't take out of the part out of the life? How me can't take out? No don't do it. Don't do it to me. Do not do it to me. I'm talking. Laugh at me. You see the same thing. You see the same thing. Lord Jesus. When you look on the woman's foot, there's if you go down at the ankle. Down by the ankle. Yes. At the ankle me mean if you say Edward, the ankle me attack. Down by the ankle there, so where you see every diabetic foot. I might be for me alone, not have that disfiguration. Because every time I go to doctor always say, Miss Maxine, I can tell that you're diabetic because your skin is intact. Your skin has not changed one bit. For somebody whose sugar is always so high, your skin is marvelous. At the ankle me I talk about Edward. Please write it in capital letter that they can understand. Say the ankle me I talk. I mean, one thing I put me on TikTok with me saying bullshit. So I'm gonna repeat it again. Me done with it. Me done with it. People? Why would Dana go change her mode now? And they wait for people if you go look on tape you know if the lady step on the cat. You know the lady not step on the cat, Dana. Dana, you know the lady don't step on the cat. Because you said the cat fly through the fence. You said the cat fly through the fence. And everybody said it. The cat just jump out of nowhere. The cat wasn't even on your veranda. Please do a reel before hungry belly them. Lord have mercy. Yes, I will. Yes. People. Oh, no, see. All what Dana went have to do from yesterday, you know. Because Dana all rush. You see how fast Dana can turn against people? Rihanna auntie they talk to her, you know. And all pan the live when the woman they call back Dana say no have no time for no call you know. You know have no time and in gala with himself. Dana you forget see Rihanna auntie when they pan the phone with you. Ross. Dana no remember see Rihanna auntie when they pan the phone. And Dana galang with himself with Rihanna auntie. And look there. You better if you sit down in there and they talk to the woman. Because you when they show the nice picture of them. You was showing the nice picture of them. For the cat to attack her like that. Without her stepping. Yes, of course it's a sign. Me not care if she want to believe if it's a sign or not. It is a sign. For how she said the cat jumped through the fence like a tiger cat. And hang on pan the woman foot and the cat uno leg of the foot, you know. Lynette, the cat uno leg of the foot. And them have to pry the cat from half of the woman's foot. And when them pry the cat from half of the woman's foot, the cat was coming back. Because they were spinning around like a gig out there. Did they watch the whole thing? Yes. The cat was coming back. I mean, they listen to Dana and the excitement with all of them, they talk. Yes. Paula is so, if you see Paula face, Paula shocked so till me wonder if Paula said today. Me, I wonder if a Paula said today, you know. If you see Paula feel so Paula frightened. Where you, Kingston 21, what you mean say no cat never attack no lady? Where is the video? All lies. Yes, I true. I true. You know, so me show you the video where the cat bite the woman. Then I walk on bite the woman. No tell me say them a sick cat and a no cat. No tell me say them sick cat 21 and a no cat. I can't believe nothing what you say you're 21. You know, make me know. What you mean say no, make we talk to 21, I know. 21, come here. Come here, 21. Let me hear you talk right now. And make me see who like it. That means you're true. 21 they talk. Let me see who like it. Good girl, you come here to good girl. Good girl, you come here too. Because you like what 21 say. 21 said, people listen to what 21 said. 21 said, no cat never attack no lady. Where is the video? All lies. Then I shot the woman get 21. 21, what happened to the woman foot? Then 21, you can't come over here and tell me this kind of story and now I expect me if you just let it go and make it go on. In 21, you and good girl come here. If I know the cat bite the woman, I shot the woman get pan her foot. What bite the woman pan her foot then? But then when did they take off the cat off of the woman foot 21? Had them up in their mouth and see so you know. 21, come here man. 21, you just slow down me progress this morning, you know. 21 had Dana come out and say they have to pray off the cat. Yes.